Hello everyone, welcome to FHAlenders.com, and I want to do a quick video on the FHA 203B loan. A lot of people are researching FHA loans or mortgages and they come across this program called the FHA 203B and they want to know, what is that? I've never heard it before, and I want to clear this up. What the FHA 203B is, it is the standard FHA loan that you would use to purchase or refinance a home. It just so happens that the official terminology for the program is called the FHA 203B. And so with this loan, you purchase a standard 1 to 4 unit home without any additional monies for rehab. I'll get into what that is in a moment. But just the purchase of a home or the refinance of a home, it's the FHA 203B. It'll need to be your primary residence. You'll need to have a 2-year work history. You'll need to be able to document your income, provide pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, or W-2s. The home is going to have to be inspected and pass an FHA inspection. You will need FHA mortgage insurance. These are the basic standard requirements for an FHA 203B loan. And now, why would you want an FHA loan or an FHA 203B loan? FHA loans are typically for people who have a small down payment, maybe have lower credit scores, because the loan does allow for credit scores all the way down to 500. Maybe you have a high DTI and you're 50 to 55% DTI. You can get approved for an FHA loan where conventional loan you can't. So these are just a couple of examples. Maybe you have a recent Chapter 13 bankruptcy. An FHA loan will still work for you too. So when I started the video, I touched on the FHA 203K because some people know what that is. The difference there is that with the 203K, which I'll link to in the up in the corner here, I'll put a little link to that video. The FHA 203K allows you to purchase or refinance the home and also borrow extra money to do repairs or updates to the home. Let's say you're purchasing a home and the kitchen's a disaster and it's from 1967. You may want to update the kitchen, you may want to update the bathrooms, maybe you want to do some landscaping, do some painting, change the roof, all these things that you might want to have someone else do, or you might want to even do it yourself, some of it, and then have it covered under the loan amount. That's what the 203K is for. And the same thing if you're refinancing. Anyhow, that's the other video. You can watch that. If you want to know about the standard FHA loan requirements, I'm also going to link to that up here and also at the end of the video, so you can research that. That way you could see all of the requirements for the FHA 203B and see if you meet those. And then if you need to speak to someone, maybe get pre-approved, ask some questions, just visit FHAlenders.com. I'm going to also put a link to the article on this topic down in the first pinned comment and also the description. So I appreciate you stopping in. If this has helped you, please hit that like button. Please share the video with your friends. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.